Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could instantly improve your vehicle's engine performance with a single replacement part? The fit for GM 9606724 T2T54471 11 1.6 from ADMCXFY is a game-changing distributor that does just that. This top-rated product has been a popular choice among many customers who have purchased and reviewed it, praising its ease of use and effectiveness. When you install this distributor, you'll notice a significant reduction in unstable ignition and idling vibration, resulting in a smooth engine operation that's almost silent. The precise cylinder block mounting allows for direct replacement of faulty parts, making the assembly and disassembly process effortless, without requiring significant adjustments to engine bay wiring. You'll feel the difference as you drive, with improved fuel combustion and reduced power loss, resulting in a more responsive and efficient vehicle. The distributor's ability to withstand high temperatures and vibrations in the engine bay ensures stable internal signal transmission, reducing driving problems such as misfires and weak acceleration. You'll also appreciate the balanced ignition timing for each cylinder, which optimizes fuel combustion and mitigates abnormal exhaust emissions. This product is a must-have for anyone looking to restore their vehicle's ignition system, especially for older gasoline-powered models. With the fit for GM 9606724 T2T54471 56B11 1.6, you'll enjoy a more comfortable and reliable driving experience. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a long road trip, this distributor will help you get the most out of your vehicle. Its ease of setup and quick assembly make it an ideal choice for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Overall, this product is a valuable investment for anyone seeking to improve their vehicle's performance and extend its lifespan. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.